Stop guessing your margins and losing mark in Method Leanne. Today we're going to be mastering off-cut page settings like a pool. Yeah, as you can see, yeah. Here's my ATD page setup. I use my A4 page setup. Use this from Crispy for an eternal layout. This is international engineering standards and even African/Nigerian exam templates standard, and that you need to ace your drawing test or exam. So we are building a flowerless sticky block from scratch. Why don't you just open your workspace and let's get it right the first time. All right, so when you open your AutoCAD software, right, the Amazon AutoCAD 2024, so you see this interface, then just click this job down and open the new project. So use the ACK IDs of the DWC. And why do you use this? It gives you the standard units, standard millimeters, yeah, which isn't internationally accepted. Oh, it's okay, it's one of the problems. So I will go boom the A4 first. The A4 kids settle and tidy block. And get out right before anything. Save it yours. You have to save your project. Now you can see YouTube I'm using, right? So what is, you get this mouse on the screen. Shows you if I click anything, right? Like I click left, it's going to show left, right? Did I click right? It's going to show right. You see. So that is very useful in Noon because you don't click, so you would see that. So this is a very good tool. I use that. And then more reason why. All right, so no problem. Then you just click on templates. Templates. Yeah. Okay. Let's type template. Let's say that's template 3. Nothing does anything else. Hit some E-City. Then you guess it's UCS icon. You see, keep moving. You can point that off. So you cannot say UCS icon to no origin. You just say UCS, then you can't access icon, then no origin, and jump. So it stops it from moving and jumping and making you walk around. So the next thing you do is that you clip your paper. You click on this rectangle, so they enjoy rectangle. Now, I've not clicked anything. So watch that mouse on the screen. I didn't click anything, so I just click on this dimension. Can see I click now. So watch that mouse is very useful. That's why I put it there. So so this is 297. The size of A4, the length is 297 millimeters. Then the bird is 210 millimeters. So you see, so this is the size of my phone. Then just click outside. Yes, just watch that mouse properly. Okay, so now because I'm a normal measuring, I click or I don't click. You would know from that mouse on the screen. So this is my A4 paper, right? Then I'll want to create a border. I'll border. So what did I do? What do? I was out of office. I would offset. I can't use. I don't want. And enter. Click that last. Then let's say 5 millimeters border. Then click on this shaped. Inside, then enter to offset this. Or you can also use this one yet. You don't have to use that too. You can just, let's cancel this. Cancel is that's just cancel this. Just click on this. Then click on this. 5s. Then this. Sorry. 5s. Then Tingsan. What is that? Tiny. Same thing. Is 1 dozen, 1 does. Who is left to you? So the next thing is that we can now draw a title block. So use the rectangle tool and again. Click on dimension, 120 millimeters, length, 60 millimeters, height. And click outside, escape. So, and to make because I would make use of lines, you know, do replicand, duplicate lines, and all of those things. So I can just exclude this shape, you know, it's one solid shape now, and then just exclude it. And then to get my distinct line, right? Just like now it's like exclude. You ought to cut them now, right? So just click on exclude, and then I exclude a dish. See, one. There are separate distinct lines now. So, okay, we've got into this stage now. You can offset this line. Offset this line at 10 millimeters subchet, then repeat for multiple lines. So press it. So forget, you want to walk to event line. In this video, watch how I do it. I want to go on talking much. Only line 30 mm less. Sir, the text should be in the line. So let me turn on my auto mode, right? So I can get my distinct horizontal vertical line. This is what I did. This was turned off before. So why it was turned off? I was finding it at your proper vertical line, 90 degrees. You see, it's going to be at. You also necess letting your angle. It's also just click on this auto, turn it on. And then it's only you should do art rest. I think I forgot. To just people, yeah, it's not easier. It's just rest escape. I've gotten this. And I want to also draw a line, yeah.
Let's see.
Sexy. In and out of breath, escape. This is what I did. So, and for this, I'll also draw another one, at least this fully line, and just twist it here. As I have not clicked anything, I'm just moving around the screen. Then click here, and then click here, escape. Come here again. Just move around it. Click here. As I have not clicked anything, escape. So netter. Okay, so if you got in this, so now we can now these usually multiple lines in between. All right, so now this is those multiple lines, and this is offset. So provider offset. So offset each line. So what on you do? Click on that line. Click on it. Then use the offsets to. Then click on this outside border. I mean, that outer points.
Then click on, let's offset it by 1 millimeters. You see why I did that. Then enter. Then click inside. Then do that. Repeat that for each of them. Click here, bottom. Click here, top. Click here, bottom. Click here, upper. Click here, downward. Click here, upward. Click here, downward. Click here, upward. Click here, downward. And click here, upward. I think this is
far easier. All right, so got in this, and the next thing we'll now do is to put in our text. So that's very easy, actually. This, click on this. Click on these. This is multi-line. This is multi-line text. Then click on these points. We're in the text. We can use feet singing. Take it there. just enter, then you see a text, right? So gals, put in your investing name or college name, whichever. Investing name. Then Irigam's not so fine. Use tamgenierement. Thanksgenierr makes a Lou. Yeah, gives a little. Yeah, thanks and you. Damgenierr no use for
4 fonts.
4, size 4. I'll just a light follow them here and use size for enter. So, and then because it's not centered, so what do? Use this place centered. Then we have something like this. It's too awful. Then I'll just click on it. Don't list 1 click. Then click on these points. Can now move it. So to select for my rough approximation, I feel I should move it to suit by suit to make it so yeah. And it's all so you can also calculate that. Those are all approximation. So okay, so what's in this suit's skin. You repeat that for all that. You know that duplicate.
It's
Duplicate's not got. It's kind of it's not just nothing but about duplicate. Is so you click on it and then this is copy. This is copy, right? Copy. Then you click on it. You click on this line, this one here, this point. Click on it. Nice, and then bring it down. Yeah.
DC. So
Very interesting. So click on so bring it down. Yeah. See what I want, right? So that's what I got it. So got it, something like this. So you can now adjust. I can put my name, yeah, right? Me too. I can just shift it to the left. To the left. Name, confirm my name, yeah. My name. Let me give it a little bit space. Name. Gosh. Then I say my name is. Then I say it's Venture. Then right here and put in good movies to the left. I can put my my trip. So my trip number it's 25235 ER2. So give me a little bit of a space, tweeze this line, pleasey. And I put my date here. So today's date is 7/16. Sorry, back in July, 19. 17. Don't 7. Ton. So this should be done by your discretion. Something you should do with your infusion. So all these adjustments should be done with your discretion. No strict rules baiting. Right? So this, whatever you can put, whatever you want to put, I'm just giving me, all right? So I can put my, let's put the title, yeah. No, let's put them, okay. No, let's put the, my title here and put my, okay, hi. Okay. Okay? Okay, so I come to my department here, right? Department. Let's speak on this. I was a mistake, right? Don't click. Don't press Control. I have a mistake. Let's click on this. Let's see electrical engineering. So, level 6. I like, then come here. Then I'm going to put my cost. It's a code. So let's say this is good tree. Let's see, this is good tree. Then I can put in my skill, yeah. I use skill 1-to-1. Think about what I used. And then I'm putting my title here. I key. Hold here. TGL, P set top. Title block. So, we have this. Okay, so this is Nobobali aligned. I don't see these places. Oh my. Okay, take every day, listen to them. And then we should rather move this song here. Yes. I think that's better, right? So we have this, and then you don't detach a block. So now the next thing you should do, is that you want to now bring what once you're done, right? So you can also bring this address W block phone into a computer, phone into a block fast W block. Add the blue dock, then press pick a point. 0. Take it to this place. Click on this out of points. Or, okay, let's use it. This is out of points. You will see it's with pop-up people. Then select objects. Can I write all of them? All of them. Like the pop-up again. Then you enter. Then the pop-up again. Then you converter block radio. It was you use straight convert a block. That's nice. And replace editing. Well, yeah. Okay, let's go.
So you see your preview here. You see. So you've converted it to block already. So you just go to this layout.
You have one. And these reports. Delete these reports. We'll delete it for now. Delete. Set up your pitch and click layout. Click and click on pitch. Set up monitor. Then modify. You use. I show full lead A4.
Then.
Okay.
Close.
We have this A4. Oh, okay. So inside your block, you've already made ready. Just click on this block. Sorry, inside. Then click on recent blocks. And it will pop up. Then this is the block. Just
drop it here.
Okay. So to make it fixed to Payman. Then click on man as 1, then pick on modify again. Modify. Click on modify.
Then switch to window.
To ask you to specify 2 points. It's like specify these points and these points. and it'll pop up. Then you'll see this. So you just see click on sits to Pipa.
Fits the paper.
Then fresh focus.
Then this
Pop up. I've done it.
is it.
So can I insert your viewport bar? Just click on this layer and then click rectangular
So yeah.
and select the space area you want. I want it to near my viewport on this space area. Then here it's set my viewport. So to move the grid, just press to move the grid lines. Those grid lines can be distraction. Now say I double click, you just press off, stand off already. So you have this. All right. So you want to stop it definitely, and then then rec outside. There, this. What about you draw in? You sure whatever you do in your model, it'll show in the layout space right here. Easy, right? So that's it for E4. So now we'll be going to the beat setup. Auto space. Then let's draw another rectangle over here. And click on dimensions. So the size of 80, is of 420 millimeters, 420 millimeter by 77, just a double of 80.
With us. So click inside.
Let's test tap. Let's just move them. Yeah. But I have no ROMs. So we can now draw a border line. I will set in. Click on the object first, then click on offsets and click on this point. This is 5.
Click inside. Escape.
This is our office. Then the taggy block is quite
Different.
from the standard lingo because Popeye is now much wider. So for the taggy block size, we're using, let's see, fifth tap. Then you get the lay.
Calculated size. That will be better.
Okay. Let's use. Let's modify to work. Let's remind Tothan. Less fluid line. Fluid.
Then offset this. Click on this line.
Click on offsets. Then click on this auto and then press 15. Should worked. There have it. Escape. Soon. Not. So we now do the Titan lock soon. Let's use let's draw a line here. Let's draw a line here. Sorry, don't click on it. Draw a line, because then over around you, don't click on it. And where's 150? Minutes us.
Enter.
It's a cone.
Yeah, wait.
That's straight in back here. Let's go. So, those two. Pull this all up, please. Yes is 160. That's what. That's good. And
This is 50.
yeah, she's 50 and 50. And that's 15. And then can just this is the midpoint. Then this is the midpoint here. This is the midpoint and put in the viewpoints. Send to escape. Then use 17 minors. Yeah. Come forward eye, of course. Then don't click on it. It's just over around the breathe the millimeters thumb.
Sorry.
And press it double time. And click on it twice to work.
70 millimeters. Enter. Sorry. Okay, so
17 click on it. Then then click on it.
Escape. Click on this place. 70 millimeters.
And click on here. Oh, and you have this something like this. Okay. And this is 16. This is 16. And so if you want to, in AutoCAD, if you want to check the size of the length of any line you draw, and you also confirm, you use the duck on it to
distance. So you see.
Just click on it, then call it to tell you the line below.
See, 16. Easy.
So I'll check your length, the underline drawn. So we have this done. So we need to put in the stakes now. See my dog. You can put multiple long dogs.
Space you want to use.
So I can use the check. Can I see check? Art. This is where you need to be. My name is Taken Can, right? There's Taken Can. So, as kids, then there's this thanks New Ramong. Hello, thanks New Ramong.
Yeah.
Think you can use whatever. I just love thanks New Ramong. So, for the size of fonts, I find you use, sorry. So what did you do? Okay, sorry, that's last 6 minutes. Oh? I for you. A for you. Right, let's just phone.
Okay.
Oh. Are you serious? Okay. Follow him. No problems. Sass phrase. Outside. Sorry. So that's one of the water cans drink. You see it. It's it. You look at. You see. It's. Click on it. You see. It's then like outside. Using them and. Oh my God. So we learn everything. So you use this out point, then to get a less approximation, this should be just the midpoint is 8.5s. So 8.5 4 unless it's 4.5. So you also be good at massaging for 0.5 feet work, right? Yeah, 4 pad work. So, okay, you need work. So 4.5. They just bring it to all point by 2, 5. So bring it 5. Sorry? Let's leave the way it was. Something is better than to centralize and...
Center.
We have something like this. So then repeat.
Same.
So wait until now, start a little bit again. Just use copy everything in this box and then paste it here.
Escape.
And then change it to another dimension. Let's use a typhoon. Let's do the typhoon block. This is where the typhoon of your projects will be tied to bloom. You understand? So I forgot to do something. There's usually a line in this midpoint. Yeah.
There's that.
So, for this thing, I just have a keys, a copy in PCM. PCCM. And this will be smaller idea.
Just move to the left.
And see skillus. Still of, this is very skill and be skill. One of one. So want it on. Use one phone size phone. Liswa. I want to get. So I want to make it sit at the bottom. It's fine. Yes. So I want to make it cheap day. She's one of one. Then to do things. That's what we're going to do. Yeah, etc. She's one of one. Then you can just copy again. Typing again. Copy this. Copy everything. Just paste this in there. Stuff typing. All again. Oh, for this place, I just use.
Just 8 sheets.
Number of the sheets you used. One of one. Then for
this place, can see.
Now copy this. Let's copy this. I'll copy this. Copy and business. Yeah, copy it. Then please sit here. And let's move it. And let's drawn by. So your name will be there. Drawn by. The person would be. And you'll be dead. There's just movies on forwards. Yes. It's better day. You're on by. Then it's down to then just copy this. and paste it here. Grid C. Charge instect. Ba C. Checked by. Then I'll put the materials here. Let's copy this. Copy, then, and put it all. Okay. Testing to instinct materials are used or used in conformant
and then
with this
you can just see
dimensions. All right, we have the title and the steps. So the next thing we do is convert. So you should just press to now. There, bit blocks. You just press pick points and pick out of points. Select object. Everything here. In stuff. The file's involvement. File different name. I just name it new block 4. Or let's say new block 5. Okay, so we have this. It's not going to affect this for 4. Now, layout 1, we have this panel setup. And for this layout 2, then right to delete this report. Then click. Then right-click.
on the layout 2.
It's set of manager. Only 5. And then see. And then use ICOs whom lead getting. IC.
Full blink A3. Okay.
Land cruise. So your import that already made new blocking down.
Start.
This is those. This is it.
So just
Bring this year. Then we haven't yet. So it's properly make it fits the paper. Let's click on the layout 2 again. Please set up manager. Verify layout 2. On layout 2 window. Click on
this to add
paper.
points.
Fits the paper. Then we have this done. So they have this. So to put in your viewport back, just click on layout, this tangula, and like this points, these 2 points. I wanted to fill in this area. We have this in 2 points, correctly thick. But we have this already to remove the good line. Then the good line. And open toss side again. We have this. Okay. So properly, this is how it's done. And then you draw has done here. And then when you want to see you have, and now we have this P4. We have this. Well, I want to see this country lung out 1 Su for.
Want to save, address.
And it's saved already. And you want to save, so, hi. The final step is to convert your drawing into templates. So just click on this AutoCAD template on feedback option. You have to, again, drawing.
Click on this save as option.
And drawing templates. So you can save it to desktop. Then, yeah, just use that. Template is did the busy. Save. We can add a description, but you don't mind, no problem.
Okay.
So now I have this Kawana route open. Call me a reuse that template. I just call me a rose template. And then you see a template and see the desktop. Yeah. So you reuse it. And then you can reuse that template. You can delete everything. Yeah. Delete it. So you want to start your redrawings. And delete. And yeah, these shoes, yeah. And yeah. Quite easy, right? If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.